For you were once darkness. Can you say darkness? But now you are light in the Lord. Live as children of the light. He says you were once darkness. He didn't just say that you were in darkness, even though 1 Peter says, Peter writes in one of his epistles, he says, we were transferred from the kingdom of darkness to the kingdom of light. Actually, we were once darkness. My identity was darkness. But now my identity is light. You say, but Mark, how does that work? It's phenomenal. It's an amazing thing. You know what I love about the light and darkness is there's no such thing as a darkness switch. You cannot switch darkness on or darkness off. Have you ever seen a new house? They build your house. Oh, there's the darkness switch and there's the light switch. Do they do that? There's no such thing. There's only a light switch. You know why? Here's the thing, friends, what I've learned is darkness cannot overcome light. Light overcomes darkness. Light is more powerful than darkness. Light, you and I were once darkness. Outside of Jesus, our identity was darkness. But when my identity is light, then my identity starts living the light. Then the light starts shining into my relationships.